Did you know the same year Columbus sailed, Spain destroyed the civilization that made his voyage possible? It's 1492. The Spanish monarchs signed two orders within months of each other. The first expels the Moors from Granada, ending 700 years of Islamic scholarship in Europe. The second sends Columbus west across the Atlantic. Here's what that means. The mathematics Columbus used to navigate? Moorish. The astronomical tables in his hands? Moorish. The surgical tools European doctors were just starting to copy? Moorish. Cordoba's library held 500,000 volumes when the largest library in Northern Europe held 400. The knowledge that built the age of exploration came directly from African and Islamic scholars. And Spain took that knowledge, expelled the people who created it, and immediately used it to claim a new world. The tools were stolen and deployed in the same 12 months by the same two monarchs against the same civilization. Now flip it. What if that knowledge never leaves African hands? Who discovers what, and who gets to call it discovery?